If, like me, you own a pair of the BMW panniers to go with your RS, you'll know that they're very easily scratched. When I go motocamping, I usually take a towel or a pad to lay on top this area here to protect the panniers, especially from the underside of the dry bag. I've got a fairly large dry bag here. It's SW Motech's Drybag 600, which is a 60-liter dry bag. And that goes on top here. My wife made this beautiful pad that sits on top of the pillion seat and the tops of the panniers. The top of it here is vinyl. This is one of the patches that I got from the BMW Members of America club that I belong to. Underneath there's a felt material right here to provide a soft surface for the tops of the panniers, so it doesn't scratch. There's the dry bag in place. It's not strapped down properly, so I just rested it there just to show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, the pad is just the right size for this 60-liter dry bag, and there's not a lot of extra down here to flap around in the wind, and so it should work really good. And the good thing is, because it's got vinyl on the top, when you arrive at your campsite, you can use that vinyl side down to rest anything you might want on any kind of a iffy surface. So it serves a double duty. So I just wanted to highlight that pad. That was a nice little modification. It's not a modification to the bike, but it's a modification to how I motocamp.